guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 20th day of the 40 days challenge. In yesterday's 100k subscribers celebration, I forgot to mention a very important person who's actually the person who inspired or pushed me to open this channel, and that is my husband. So I would love to thank him for that and acknowledge his contribution to this channel. He's the silent force behind this channel, always pushing me, motivating me. So thank you so much, baby. Today I will be sharing with you guys my fresh mint chutney recipe. This is my favorite. It's got amazing flavor, it's got amazing health benefits. It's such a versatile chutney. You can actually store it in the fridge for as long as 3 days. It can be paired with rice, roti, and my favorite thing I do is to eat this with yogurt rice. It is delicious. No words said, it is delicious. So let's see how it's made. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal, add about 3 red chilies, 1/4 cups peanuts, about 3 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds, few curry leaves, add the mint leaves, and half a bunch of coriander leaves. Add some rock salt. Cook it until the leaves become tender. Let it rest for some time until it cools down. I transfer the mint mixture into the blending jar. A teaspoon of lime juice. Let's blend this now. A spoon of mustard seeds. A spoon of jeera, now add the curry leaves. Let's finish off our mint chutney with this amazing tadka, guys, like this. Mint. There you go, guys. The yummy mint chutney is now ready. While I go and savor it with my yogurt rice. Enjoy and have a great Tuesday. My today's 2 cents: never complain about the difficulties in life, because the director, who is God, always gives the most difficult roles to his best actors. Today's quote, I've taken it from a very prominent person of Indian leadership, and that is Mr. Kalam. Catch you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.